Hi, I'm Christina Beauregard, Director of Education and Training.
And I'm Kim Winslow, Director of Recruiting here at Rovi Realty. We know since the onset of COVID, many of you getting into the real estate business are frustrated by the process of getting your license. In response, Rovi Realty is going to help you take action today with a new program, Agent Launch.
Our Agent Launch program is designed for prospective new agents to begin their training with one of the top real estate teams in New England. You're going to get full access to our advanced training systems, our script calls, and our CRM platform. Of course, you're still going to have to pass your exam, but with our Agent Launch program, you're going to be ready to begin your real estate career the moment you have your license.
Why are you still watching us?
Follow the link below for details on how to get started on your real estate career today.